Yung pagpili ng course sa college is one of the most important decisions that we can make in our life. Pero what if hindi ka pa sure kung ano nga bang course yung kukunin mo? Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome to another episode of the College Courses Explained series. For today's episode, we will talk about Bachelor of Science in Office Administration or BSOA. So if you are someone who enjoys organizing tasks, managing documents, coordinating schedules, and helping offices run efficiently, this course might be for you. So ano nga ba ang BSOA? It is a degree program that focuses on office management, administrative support, business communication, records management, and the use of office technologies. In simple terms, office administration students learn how to manage office operations, handle business documents, coordinate administrative tasks, and support the day-to-day activities of the organization. Now, ano-ano nga ba yung mga subjects under the BSOA? Usually, merong mga subjects such as office management, business communication, records management, administrative office procedures, human resource management, basic accounting or accounting fundamentals, business writing, office productivity tools, applications, and office systems and procedures. So as you can see, it is a combination of business, communication, administration, and technology-related subjects. Now, what skills will you develop in BSOA? You will develop organizational skills, communication skills, administrative skills, time management abilities, computer proficiency, and the ability to manage office operations efficiently. Because of this, being organized, detail-oriented, professional, and responsible is very important in this field. Now, let's talk about career opportunities. As a BSOA graduate, you can work as an administrative officer, an executive assistant, an office administrator, an administrative assistant, a records officer, a human resources assistant, a customer service representative, an office coordinator, or as a corporate secretary. So you can work in corporate companies, government agencies, schools and universities, hospitals and healthcare facilities, banks and financial institutions, BPO companies, non-profit organizations, and private businesses and offices. Now, when it comes to salary, it will always depend on the company, its location, your position, and your level of experience, but generally, fresh graduates may earn around 15,000 to 22,000 per month. Mid-level positions, such as office administrators, executive assistants, or administrative officers may earn around 22,000 to 40,000 per month. And for experienced professionals in management or executive support roles, salaries can exceed 40,000 to 70,000 per month. Now, sino ba ang bagay sa BSOA? This course might be a good fit for you if you are organized and detail-oriented, you are good at communication and interpersonal skills, you are comfortable using computers and office software, you are responsible and able to manage multiple tasks, and you are interested in office operations and business administration. So, if you see yourself managing office operations, supporting business activities, and helping organizations run smoothly, BSOA might be the right course for you. So that is Bachelor of Science in Office Administration explained in simple terms. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what course you want me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you follow me for more episodes of College Courses Explained.